soon to resign. Wow, guys, sana naman no, yung video na to is hindi nyo ginagawang sign para mag-resign kayo sa isang company, no? So, say for example, natotoxican kayo, or say for example, tinatamad na kayo, or pagod na kayo sa trabaho nyo, no? So, yung video na to, guys, is in-upload ko para i-inspire kayo na tawag dito kung gusto nyo mag-step up, you're aiming for something, but alam niyo yun, you have nagda-doubt pa rin kayo na baka hindi niyo makuha, no? Yun yung purpose ng video na to, hindi po dahil tinatamad na kayo. Kasi guys, before you resign, make sure that you have a plan, no? Kasi 'di ba, kailangan naman natin lahat ng pera, 'di ba? And ako bago ako nag-resign, I have a plan. I want a career growth, and also I want a much higher salary, and this is my dream company. So, those are the main reason why I resigned. Hindi dahil natotoxican ako, tinatamad ako, tawag dito pagod na ako, no? Hindi yun yung dahilan. So, make sure that before you resign, you have a plan. Hindi